We're going camping this weekend. We haven't been camping in a really long time, so we need to find all of our stuff.
Yeah.
There's some mold looking stuff in our pot. Spick and span. I'm actually pretty impressed it all fit. Okay, we are in Cape Hedo again, doing some rock climbing today. Camping just to go camping can be fun, but it's even better if you have something to do, like a lake to swim in, or some trails to hike, or in this case, some rock climbing. Today we're climbing at Cape Hedo, more specifically Ndagi Rock, which is a really fun giant boulder that has a ton of great routes on it. Are you having a fun camping trip so far?
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah, it's a camp.
But the sun came out.
It's beautiful.
I did not expect to need sunscreen today. Much better. Okay, that's a wrap on day one of climbing. My skin is pretty shredded. Hopefully it feels better in the morning for day two of climbing. How you feeling?
Pretty good.
All right, let's head to camp. We are going to camp on the other side of this abandoned tunnel. Woo! Wow, this is so cool. Echo! Woo! I see the light.
Too